Hey guys, what's going on? So in this video, Brenna and I are getting ready to install some Cowl corner guards on her 2008 Jeep Wrangler, right Brenna?
Yep.
So these are pretty easy to install. I'll include a link to them in the description of this video. So if you want to buy them off Amazon, you can click on the link, shoot over to Amazon, and helps out the channel as well. We make a little bit of money off it, not a whole lot, but I'll show you where to buy them. And let's get to the install process on it, and I'll show you how to install them. Ready, Bren? Now these are side specific and they attach with double face adhesive tape that comes already installed on them. So before you take the tape off, dry fit them. Make sure you have them on the right side because they are side specific. So you're gonna come over right here, and so this one is for the left side. You know, the left side is always the driver's side, right side is always the passenger side of vehicles. So this fits perfect. So what you want to do is you want to get some rubbing alcohol and a soft cloth, and there's no wax on this area. The Jeep is just clean. We just cleaned the Jeep off, but we're going to kind of prep the area a little bit, get anything else off that might be on the surface of the paint, so that that double face tape has something good to adhere to. You'll need a ton, just like a little bit, and this stuff dries fast. Okay. It's all set. Okay, so we're gonna fit this one last time, so it fits on like that. Curved part right here goes towards like the windshield frame, and the straight part goes towards the hood. You want to make sure it's all the way back, and just peel the tape off. So much for it being one long continuous piece. We'll put this on, made it in short little itty bitty pieces. So at some point, if you ever had to take them off, we can just take them off and get the rest of the tape off. So you're gonna come over here, and then line it all up. Kind of make sure it drops into place. And we're all set right here with our body line. So just give it a kind of a firm press. Tug it all around. It's good. All right, now let's go do the passenger side. All right, same deal on the passenger side. Clean up the cowl area. It's already dry. And if you come over here, let's check this out, Brenna. There's a dent in the cowl, and these are one of the reasons why we bought these, is to kind of cover up the dent. This dent was caused by the mirror because the door strap wasn't on the hook that's over here. So if you come over here, there's like a hook in here. So when you're taking your doors off, you got to be careful that that strap, you know, was on. You got the door secure so it doesn't swing over and the mirror hit your cowl and cause that to happen. It was there when we bought the Jeep, so this is an easy way to kind of cover that up if you don't have an auto body person to want to pay to have that dent removed. So these covers too will help to prevent this from happening, because your mirror will hit this plastic cover and it's not metal, there's some give to it, so it's not going to dent like that. The same deal with this one. You're just going to take the double face protector off the tape. Okay, so you want to line this one up. Make sure that the curved part is near the windshield frame. Line up your front edge here. And press it back into place. Make sure you get the edges. Give it a little tug. It's on there nice and strong. That's not going to come off. Look at that, we got rid of your dent. We protected the cowl a little bit from the mirrors in case if the wind catches the door when you're taking them off or something like that happens. But these are pretty easy to put on. They're really inexpensive. There's a link to them in the description of this video, and it's a pretty great product. Hope you guys liked the video. If you do, hit that like button. If you have any comments, leave a comment. I will reply back to you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, guys.